Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color is black and under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and out to the side we have 19-inch aluminum wheels with Goodyear tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2019 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features and power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings with door storage. Making our way to the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustable looking on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel, with our cruise control options on the left and our median hatchway option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror on the cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2019 F-150, you can see 169,947 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, the options available such as our audio, climate control, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being your climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating to our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats and cooling seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.